Good morning and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Smart School City Campus Online Maths class for grade 5. Textbook page number 35, Factors and Multipliers. On page number 35, you have the built up and you have the question number 4. Express the following as a product of prime numbers. Now simply, first of all, I will tell you about the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Those numbers which are only divisible by its own table, like 2, 3, 5, 7. Those numbers which didn't come in other numbers or other tables, or not divisible by other digits. They are only divisible by its own number or digit, like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and the goes on. So you have to find the product of prime factor. Prime factors are those factors that are prime number are called prime factors. Mean those factors which are only prime, that are the prime factors. Now you have the question number A, 60. So find the answer of the 60. You will write the 60 here and you will divide it by prime numbers. 2 is the prime number, so you will divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6, 0. Again 2, 2 1 is 2, and 1 here, 2 5s are 15. Now there is 15, it is not divisible by 2, so we will divide it by 3, and 3 is also a prime number. So 3 5s are 15. And here is the 5. 5 is a prime number, so 5 1s are 5. You have these prime factors of the 60. 60 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. These are all the prime factors of 60. You can see that questions you will not mark like this. That is the answer of your question. You have to do it on your neat copy. Now the part B and C, that are also same like question number A. You have to solve these 3 questions on your neat copy. Now you have the question number 5. Using a factor tree, find all the prime factor that gives the product of 120. It's mean you have to draw a tree of prime factor like this of 120, and you have to write all the prime factors of the 120. Now you can see the tree of prime factor of 120. So you will write the 120, and 260 is equal to 120. So in first two blocks you will write 2 and 60. 2 1 is 2, and here the 60 goes to like 2 30s are 60. You will write the 2 and 30. 2 1 is 2, and here the 30 will be divided by 2 and 15. 2 15 are 30, so you will write the 2 and 15 in the other two boxes. Now 2 1 is 2, and here the two boxes will come. 3 5s are 15, and 5 1s are 5. 3 1 is 3. So that is the tree of 120. You have to draw this on your neat copy.